Hello. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to know in Adobe Premiere which clips you've already used in a sequence and which you haven't. And this is especially useful if you're building out a scene and, let's say you have photos that you want to use as B-roll, but you don't want to duplicate any of them. So, this is a way to be able to tell like, hey, did I already use this photo or did I not? There's other reasons to utilize this. In fact, I challenge you to comment down below with ways that this might be beneficial for you as an editor. For the purposes of this discussion, though, I'm going to show you a very simplified version. I've only got 3 clips, but the principle, applies. So I've got my sequence right here, and as you can see right now, there's nothing in the sequence. So what you want to do is actually step into the folder with the footage that you're going to be taking from. So I'm going to step inside here, and I'm going to change the view so I can see the footage, right? And what it is right here. So I've got my 3 clips, and you'll notice on the right, there's like this little contains linked audio icon, but then nothing else. Now watch what happens if I click and drag this one into my timeline. So as you can see now, there's 2 icons here, and the one on the left says video used 1 time. So you don't have that in the others because I did not use them yet, right? So it's a very simple way to look at it and be like, okay, cool. I still can utilize these. So boom, I'll drag this one in, and now this one has the same thing, and the last one. And so now I can tell like, oh, I've literally used each of these clips at least once already in my projects. So that's a very simple way to be able to tell, and it's extremely beneficial. So I highly encourage you to utilize it when the need dictates it, right? And I've mentioned one, but as I said, I encourage you to comment down below with any other suggestions of when this might be beneficial. And by the way, just real quick before I wrap out, I also wanted to show you, let's say you decide, okay, I'm going to delete this from my timeline, then it will change, right? So the clip that I just deleted, it no longer appears to indicate that I've used it before, right? So now if I wanted to include it, I know, okay, oh, this one's one I haven't used yet. So may that be of help to you in your editing projects within Adobe Premiere. Also, in addition to commenting how this might be beneficial, if there's other things you'd like me to show you, tips and tricks about editing, happy to do so. Comment with those down below as well.